Apply toothpaste to each toenail. Next, prepare half a lime and a toothbrush. Squeeze a generous amount of lime juice onto the nails and gently scrub, reaching every spot. The natural acids help dissolve dirt and brighten the nail surface. Finally, rinse your feet thoroughly with water. Your nails will look clean, refreshed, and well cared for. Your face can look several years younger. All it takes is enriching your cream with 2 simple ingredients to greatly boost its effectiveness. Add 2 capsules of vitamin E to half a jar of classic blue Nivea cream. Vitamin E is a strong antioxidant that neutralizes free radicals, slows down skin aging, and helps reduce wrinkles. It also supports the skin's natural barrier, keeping it smooth and nourished. The next ingredient is aloe vera gel. Mix it thoroughly with the cream. Aloe supports skin regeneration and, thanks to sterols, stimulates the production of collagen and hyaluronic acid. This mixture enhances the cream's action and provides the skin with valuable nutrients. Apply it daily to your face and décolleté and you'll notice results quickly. Used regularly, it becomes an easy addition to your skincare routine that delivers long-term benefits. You don't need to spend a fortune on expensive anti-wrinkle products. Place your hand in a bowl of water with ice cubes. Keep it there for 5 minutes. Move your fingers, bend, and stretch them to help your hand adjust to the cold. This simple method supports tissue recovery, improves circulation, reduces swelling, and speeds up healing of minor injuries. Repeat regularly to keep your hands in top shape. Just a spoonful can help relieve knee pain. Apply any lotion to your leg to make the skin slippery. Take a spoon and gently slide it upward along the muscle while straightening your knee. Do this for 3 minutes a day. This simple trick relaxes the muscles around the knee and eases discomfort. Use it daily. Your knees will thank you. Apply toothpaste to your feet and see what happens. This method is cheap and incredibly simple. Take some toothpaste and squeeze it onto your heels. It has exfoliating properties, gently removing dead skin cells. Additionally, it disinfects and softens the skin. Sprinkle about a teaspoon of baking soda onto the toothpaste. Baking soda has antibacterial properties and helps soothe and relax your feet after a long day. Then take a piece of lemon and squeeze the juice onto the baking soda and toothpaste. Start rubbing the lemon on your heel, pressing harder on the most calloused areas. Leave this mixture on your feet for 15 minutes. After that time, wash off the remnants. Apply a moisturizing cream to your feet to enhance and maintain the effect. This home remedy is extremely effective and affordable. It also softens the skin and helps you relax.
Apply cloves to your hands and see what happens. You won't recognize your own hands. Take a large handful of cloves and grind them using a blender or coffee grinder. Put the crushed cloves in a pot and pour 200 milliliters of water over them. Add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and turn on the stove. Heat the mixture, but you don't have to boil it. Thanks to the tannin content, cloves can slow down the aging process of the skin. They have antioxidant properties that block the development of free radicals. Coconut oil has similar properties. Cloves are effective in fighting fungi and have a strong anti-inflammatory effect. The skin, thanks to cloves, can become smoother, radiant, and free of discoloration. When the mixture is heated, strain it into a container and let it cool. Pour it into a spray bottle. Clove oil reduces irritation and helps maintain a healthy appearance of the skin. When applied to hands, face, or other areas of the skin, it also protects against insects. Taking care of our skin, we simultaneously protect it from ticks, mosquitoes, fleas, or spiders. Just spray the skin on your hands and massage it in. Apply to hands, face, and skin. Using this mixture relaxes and soothes muscle tension. It reduces stress. Additionally, the essential oils in cloves have pain-relieving effects, including relief from migraines and lowering blood pressure. When I run out of my clove and coconut oil bottle, I immediately prepare another one. Everyone asks about the secret of my skin.
Rub this on your foot, and your cold might disappear almost instantly. All you need is regular iodine. Iodine has numerous health benefits that can help boost your immune system. Scientific studies have shown that iodine may prevent upper respiratory infections and aid in their treatment. Gray hair will disappear. This homemade recipe is truly simple. It takes just a few minutes to prepare a solution for treating gray hair, whether it's roots or gray strands at the temples. This mixture works 100%. Start by preparing a red onion. Cut it in half and finely grate it. Place a strainer over a second bowl and transfer the grated onion to it, pressing to extract the juice. Onion juice contains the enzyme catalase, which, when used regularly, prevents hair from turning gray. Next, add lemon to the onion juice. Cut a lemon in half and squeeze the juice into the bowl with the onion juice. Lemon strengthens the hair. Now, take a tablespoon and squeeze some toothpaste onto it. Mix the toothpaste thoroughly with the onion and lemon juice until well blended. Apply this mixture to your scalp and all over your hair. Leave it on for about an hour. Then, rinse your hair with water and wash it as usual with shampoo. Regular use of this onion-based mixture guarantees the elimination of gray hair regardless of age. Since I accidentally combined these two ingredients, I've never thrown away an avocado pit again. The results were beyond anything I could have imagined. Start by grating the pit using the coarse side of a grater. Few people know that the pit contains over 70% of the antioxidants found in the fruit itself. That's an important fact. As you'll notice, the grated pit begins to change color. This is a natural oxidation process. Transfer the grated pit into a jar until it's half full, then pour in olive oil. Olive oil acts as a natural carrier for nutrients. It softens, moisturizes, and prevents moisture loss. Close the jar tightly and leave it in a dark place for 1 day. After that, strain the mixture through a sieve to remove any residue. Store the oil in a sealed container. You're probably wondering how to use this homemade macerate. It works as a natural body balm that regenerates the skin and as a nourishing hair mask. It strengthens hair roots, reduces hair loss, and moisturizes the ends, especially beneficial for older adults. Just massage a few drops into your scalp, leave it on for 30 minutes, and then wash your hair with shampoo. With regular use, your hair becomes softer, stronger, and beautifully shiny. Apply this to your gray hair. No more spending a fortune at the salon. Simple, natural ingredients from your kitchen are all you need. They leave your hair smoother, shinier, and deeply nourished. Start with whole coffee beans, since they contain the highest amount of natural oils and pigments. Grind a handful of beans well. Place 2 tablespoons of the freshly ground coffee into a glass bowl. Freshly ground coffee has a stronger aroma and more intense effect. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Sugar helps remove buildup and impurities, allowing the mask's ingredients to absorb better. Mix everything together. Pour hot water at about 70 degrees Celsius over the mixture and stir again. Now add honey. Honey moisturizes, smooths, and boosts natural shine. Combine everything until you get a uniform paste. Transfer the mixture into a jar. Your mask is ready. Apply it evenly to your hair, especially where the color needs support. Spread it thoroughly. Leave it on for 1 hour so the ingredients can work fully. This recipe is enough for 2 applications. After the first use, your hair will be smoother, softer, and naturally shiny.